Akoma FM ha. I want to run about Asqua the arc. Traffic light not to a bone sum wana. Track bia says woman private car be dia kwashasia. Ano pay me hu na me ra ho. Now you see, and they are posted for an kasa. We are not able to get explanation. But on our roads, on our various roads, said the nipa that's any ewu recklessly. I hope. Now, Oshe said the cars is sequence without light, without warning triangles, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Ekoswa. Now Webisa say who is watching the watchman. Now 21st year that be and now 26. So 21st was on Wednesday. I tell for more air share no pay be pacho. So why a bizo when ye bizo for the next 1 minute. Facebook page. Because komana me baby dino one ye live. Now more share our Facebook page on Akoma 87.9 FM. I am giving you this video. Now ye didn't come out. And okay, it is so serious. Say, ya kwan so. Abusafo, enema e koso e wa ya kwan so a ye ntime report. E wo kroma no ehu. 2M Express. Atefo, enano pay. Uko your Facebook page. Oh, it is serious. Na video a share and niama yehu. Now, let me zoom into action. This is exclusive video footage. I and Saka Ewofia on Wednesday, Kumasi and Kakwanso. Armed robbers. Yes, one more attack cars. Bear 3 on the road. Sprinter. And one other private car. Two. Now, fortunately for passengers, a war 2M Express. Come. Company no I install CCTV cameras. Our surveillance system. Omo car bia echo biano. Omo wo security team at CCTV cameras no ho a monitor car no baby a echo. Because say the last time na ochema bo agete ase me ne no e won office was go fi oyi videos go fi look at what this driver is doing in the car. Conversation na echo so nyina no live. Na abusafo on Kumasi-Accra road. Watch this video. Afei Okuja my wrote the video on Facebook page. Who are only few minutes. Now watch it. This is the gentleman or your call. Then car no move in here. TDC.
Oh, imana kana check and like on the little mic now. Nema be go money don.
Enti a passenger and oye no call. Now even whatever is nkoma ekoso nyina no is captured. Observe way aye car nim video a wo hwe. Na observe baby a Ghana edu. We have companies be at least we are able to take precaution. But it's not about what happened, But now watch the video. Armed robbers are attitude. A block a quino. No more do a moka and a hit or moka. No more road to you. Gunshot after gunshot. This is what you see. So passenger I was saying, hey, you call.
Go. Never go. Never go now.
Etio, and elbow. I'm Robert Serena. Now watch it.
Jesus.
Now this is it. What is the year or two for?
Relax. Back in good call. Relax.
So you see the armed robbers running towards the car.
Why you open the door? This was a mistake, sir. Relax, madam, relax.
Now can in it, the car do a money.
Madam, relax.
They will hit the car.
Hello?
Master, stop the call.
You hear it? Pine. Now you see, any.
Master, you supposed to.
So armed robbers in the DHR airband. Now this is one of them on the left side. A train on motor. Now watch it. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, Kumasi and Kakwan. So on Wednesday, more monitor on Facebook page. Passengers and more a Kwansua. Yes, this was the time. Anajo 11:39. 11:39 p.m. 11:39 p.m. Speed and driver no echo. I started reduce. Now this is it. This is it. This was it. Now this is it. I'm Robert Tama Muchutu into the car. Any passengers and I'm walk car we Sir John. This is where we've got
yes,
into.
Kofi.
Now several robbery cases we do not have any record of this thing.
And Kofi, share Abrantia na no ye call na.
Yeah.
We do be obi say master stop the call.
Say no that's so here na call no.
So the impression was that I'm Robert Simbe who said you are placing a call to
yes
a security person be
now
to intervene.
When I take kasa na why I think it was an Igbo kasa or a different language. Oh,
in a relaxed you
yeah.
I mean
Buying Tomo hit a car. Oh, this is it. And a driver started say or reverse.
Joshua at first now o movie at 33 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
John say afina abafom.
Oh, okay.
Then later
Obisa Okan Igbo Kasa.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Obisa Okan Igbo Kasa. And this is it. Live. When you will be in the agent. Now, I think I will commend 2M Express. Footage, video, no war.
This is excellent.
Yes.
So cameras no track the front
and the back.
And inside.
This is it.
You could see that. No, but
This is it. Enti Akoma ku bie no. And I'm saying no. Enti manu nyina na esu. Live on Akoma 87.9 FM. Therefore, we a live robbery case captured on video live. And just this Wednesday.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
na ajabo driver na or driver car way yane ne ba be kasa na wenya exactly the vivid description of what happened